guys? Before we leave today, I just wanted to get a couple clips of these awesome builds right here. Comment below, let me know which one you like better, why you would choose one over the other, and just looking for some feedback on these bikes. I think they're pretty sweet. I definitely like the 450, but man, that 250 KTM, what a freaking blast to ride. If you didn't see the video yet, check it out. Anyway, let's get into some close-up views, and you guys can check these bikes out. Cadillac of bikes.
I just love KTM, what I keep saying. So soft and plush and comfy. The ice nice and low. It's 22 or 21? 22?
This one might be
I think it's 22. If I'm wrong, it might be 21. 250 XCF, but we'll find out here. Yeah, we added a headlight on here. Little Poly Sport headlight action.
This
time for pictures.
Yeah. Well, you take some pictures right now. I'll probably take some tomorrow too. I just want this orange to pop.
Yeah.
This thing is sick. I really like this bike. I really do. Probably gonna build on. Probably gonna build with a shop bike. Might be a gas cast. I like this chassis. It's awesome. We got the big wheel kit on here. Got the old big wheel kit on here, as you guys have seen in all of our videos. Got the KTM color match orange on the swing arm. As you guys know, billet triple clamps, custom wheels, rolled by Douglas and welded by us in-house, which is awesome. We added some folding foot pegs. Same as OEM for the pivot, we just widened them out. Got a nice fat tire on the back of this thing.
Big boy.
It is all there, man. When you're riding loose, rocky, nasty desert terrain, it works really well. Yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and probably do another video tomorrow. We're gonna get this thing back outside, do some nice close-up slow-mo shots and get some pictures. But for today, sun's going down and it's time to get out of here.
Just hang out on the road.
Dude, Arizona no helmet laws. Or do what the hell you want out here. Yeah, it's just play grips, man. This is a used bike that a customer actually sent to us. I'm just doing a little quick test ride. We're gonna go back to a bulk check. But if you guys like big wheel kits, head over to bbcbigwheels.com. Also go to bbcoffroad.com and definitely check out our other videos. We got install videos and how all these kits work. So we'll see you guys in the next video.